Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to restrict comments added to your video on the youtube.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that, you should scroll down on this left side column of the screen and click on settings. Then you should tap on the channel status and features button in the your channel section. After that, you should wait a few seconds till it loads and then click on the upload defaults button in the left side column of this section. Click on advanced settings, then scroll down to the comments section, and here you have 4 features such as allow all comments, or you can hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, meaning that you can or that if there is a comment that might be a spam, self-promotion, gibberish, and potentially inappropriate comment, it will be held for review and it will be only published if you allow them or approve them. And you can also increase the strictness, or you can hold all of the comments for a review or disable the comments. If you are done with selecting from these options, tap on the save button down below to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.